National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 616, effective until 2 o'clock a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, and 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The National Weather